Hi y'all, Todd from Woodturning Tool Store, back with you again. Thanks for watching, and I appreciate you watching the video and joining me with this build. So this build is not wood turning; it's more woodworking focused. I wanted to get ready for my first vendor show at the SWAT symposium. SWAT is SWAT. That's Southwest Association of Turners. It's held in Texas, Waco, Texas, in the pretty much the last weekend in August, just August 24th, 5th, 6th, 27th, I think, 25th through the 27th. So I spent the prior 5 weeks getting ready for that, and so that's why I haven't had a video out for quite a while. So this one is going to be building the mobile cabinets. You can see them here. Let me move the camera and we'll get a shot of that. Okay, here we see one of the three cabinets. Two of the cabinets are built just like this one here. It's about 36 inches tall with the casters, so 16 inches deep and about 32 inches across. There's one drawer and two doors. I got the plans for them out of the Shop Notes magazine. This one here, you can see it on the cover there. They're actually made for in your shop. I just modified them and put them on wheels. This is issue 59 of Shop Notes. It was a number of years ago this came out. So I used those plans and modified them to my needs. They're a great cabinet for this kind of thing, and I can use them in the shop as well. So let me show you some quick features of them. So they got two doors. I've just used some truck hinges. I've overlapped the doors, a couple of shelves in there, a little magnet to keep it closed. The handle over here, just industrial street piping, galvanized piping. 4 casters that are swivel lock casters, so I can spin it right around with no problems. This edge, I've got some angle iron bolted on there to protect that edge, because I basically tip these on this side and into the back of the truck. That's why you can see it's all scraped up. I've used them already. And then I've got some locking plates up here. So there's one here, one down the bottom, and I put a piece of strapping through here with locks on it to lock it up. So 2 of them are exactly like this one, and here's the drawer. I didn't pull it up, but it's a pretty good drawer. Works really well. Let me show you the lathe cabinet. 1 second here. Okay, here's the third cabinet, the lathe cabinet. Same general dimensions as the other 2, except there's no drawer, just 2 doors. You see the top is a little different. This is an inset top. Got the same locking mechanisms both down there and up here. There's some lift out handles here, and that's to be able to flip the top and take that lathe and turn it upside down and flip it over on that top, and then I got a lathe stand. So it's locked in there with some knobs. There's 4 knobs, 1/4 by 20 knobs holding that down. The grinder is locked in here as well with knobs. So I can tip this on its side and in the back of the truck and load it up, no problem. So it's a little heavy, but so yeah, those are the 3 cabinets. So and the one thing I like the features of it, the mobility, being able to use them in the shop and then on the road as well. So that's those are the 3 cabinets you'll see in the build here, and have a look, enjoy. Thanks for watching. registration marks on which side is up and which holes I'm going to do, and you've got to do this both on the front side and the back side, so that when you do left side versus right side, you're mirror imaged. Okay, so we've got our template set up. We'll just clamp that down. See, I've got a mortise here. I've got a little more cut out here. So the hinge will go in, and the knuckle will get buried a little bit on the side, and it just it cuts down on the profile on that stuff. Instead of being stuck out like that much on that side, it's only that much. So, makes a bit of a difference to me. So instead of like that, it's like that. In order to create that knuckle area, set the second depth on the router, and I just cut this piece of plywood to fit in there. So the second depth will only cut this area here. So hopefully that makes sense. So screw this down, do the whole mortise, put this in, second depth. Get this inside. So let's rip these up. Got my fence set, blade height set, so dust collector. Now we gotta walk around the top here. Bear with me. Put those away. Take the remote. Turn that on. Push stick. outside perimeter, so my chisel will find a place to purchase. A nice little groove. That's it. See if it fits in there nicely. Okay, here we are, set up with the drill press. Grinder, and I'm just grinding those corners off, so marked. See that mark where they're going to come off the corners. Looks nice and rounded. Flush. Nice. Tight, tight. Tight, tight, tight. So, that's it. Okay, again, thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. Please subscribe, and we'll get back to turning videos very shortly. I'm now, at home for a while. Don't got any other projects other than unpacking from my trip, and then we'll get some turning videos. We'll do another project video hopefully very shortly. So, again, we'll talk to you next time. Thanks for watching.